Did you know an average content creator saves up to 12 hours a week using AI tools? Or that some AI tools can now create videos, songs, full blog posts, and even presentation slides, all in under 5 minutes. So, if you are a beginner diving into AI space, this video is your golden ticket. Let's jump into the top 5 AI tools for beginner. And trust me, the last one will blow your mind. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. If you are looking to write blog posts, fix your emails, or just have a study buddy, ChatGPT is your go-to. Let's see why beginners love it. It is user-friendly, super helpful for students, bloggers, and creators, and it is definitely versatile from coding to cooking tips. Now, let's see its plans and pricing options. It definitely has a free plan and also two paid plans, Plus and Pro. For the free plan, you get access to GPT-4 Mini, real-time data from the web with search, limited access to GPT-4 and 03 Mini, limited access to file uploads, data analysis, image generation and voice mode, and also limited access to code edits with ChatGPT from desktop or for Mac OS. And with the Plus plan, for which you will have to pay only $20, you can level up productivity and creativity with expanded access. You get everything that is in the free plan and also extended limits on messaging, file uploads, data analysis and image generation, and standard and advanced voice mode with video and screen sharing options. So you can clearly see what difference can only $20 make. And then it comes with the Pro plan, which costs you $200 per month. You can use it to get the best of OpenAI with the highest level of access. You get everything in Plus and free options, then you get unlimited access to all reasoning models and GPT-4, unlimited access to advanced voice with higher limits for video and screen sharing, and access to a Pro mode, which uses more compute for the best answers to the hardest questions. But definitely it will cost you more than 10 times than the Plus plan. So I suggest that you can choose the Plus plan for your productive needs. Now meet Synthesia. Ever wanted to create videos with a talking avatar without being on camera? Yes, here is how Synthesia is for you. Now see why beginners love it. Here is no camera, mic or editing skills needed. You can create training videos, YouTube intros or course content with just a script. Now let's visit the pricing comparison. Here, as you can see, it has one starter plan and one creator plan. The starter plan costs you only $18 per month and the creator one will cost you $64 a month. With the starter plan, you get the key features like download your videos, AI video assistant, 140 plus languages, remove Synthesia logo, also 10 minutes of video per month. And with the creator plan, which will cost you only $64 a month, you will get 5 personal avatars, AI dubbing, branded video pages, API access, multiple avatar per scene, and also one editor and 5 guest options. As you can see that the creator plan is the most popular one for this tool. And also if you are an enterprise, you can custom the pricing. And for that, you will get unlimited video minutes, one-click translations into 80 plus languages, live collaboration with your team, and many more. So let's choose the plan according to your budget. And here is Guru AI. Need help organizing your knowledge base, improving customer support, or just streamlining team communication? Guru AI does it all. Beginners love it because it has AI-powered internal knowledge management, easy browser extension for instant answers, works seamlessly with Slack, Teams, and more. And it has a diverse pricing option. Now let's visit the plans of pricing it has. So, as you can see, Guru AI has one free plan and one all-in-one plan. So, with the free plan, you get 30 days of full platform access. And with the all-in-one plan, which will cost you only $15 a month, you will get the AI-driven platform including AI search, intranet, and wiki. But just to keep you known to these plans, the free plan will only last for 30 days. But after that, you cannot access the platform. You will have to buy the all-in-one plan or any other plan. For the enterprise, you can choose the custom plan and contact the sales teams for the pricing options. But I think the all-in-one will be really helpful to you if you are in this field for a long time. Here comes SlideScope. Making presentations. Whether you are a student or a business newbie, SlideScope has got you covered. Here is why beginners love it. Free Google Slides and PowerPoint templates, easy to edit professional designs, and AI presentation maker. Now let's see the pricing comparison for this amazing tool. As you can see, it has one free plan and one premium plan. The premium plan will cost you only 749 rupee a year. As you can see that it is very budget friendly for everyone's need. Now, as we can see from the list, with the free plan, you do not get many accesses that is included in the premium plan. Like, with the premium plan, you can share templates with no need to credit SlideScope, priority support and favorite list, suitable for minors. You can add, remove or reassign users as necessary or leave them unassigned. Also, you get bigger discounts for bigger teams, up to 20%. And you will have some more features and you can see those later. So I will suggest you, if you can, then please buy the premium version and it will be really helpful for your every need. Last but not the least, Suno. This one's for the creatives and music lovers. Suno lets you create AI generated songs with just a few prompts. Here is why beginners love it. It has no music production skills or any other sense needed. Then it can pick genre, vibe or even lyrics as your choice. Also outputs full songs with vocals and instruments. Now let's visit the comparison of this tool. As you can see, it has one free basic plan and two paid pro plan and premier plan. With the basic plan, you will get 50 credits renewed daily, create up to 4 songs at once, no commercial use, no credit top-ups and shared generation queue. And with the most popular pro plan, as it will cost you $8 a month, you will access to their newest models V4, 2500 credits, refreshes monthly, commercial use rights for songs made while subscribed, create up to 10 songs at once, early access to new features and priority creation queue. And with the premier plan, which will cost you only $24 a month, and this has the best value, you will get access to their newest model V4, 10,000 credits, refresh monthly, commercial use rights for songs made while subscribed, create up to 10 songs at once, early access to the new features, priority creating queue and all. So, as you can clearly see, the Pro plan will be most budget friendly and helpful if you need Suno for your music creation journey. So, I will suggest you to choose your plan accordingly. Let's do a quick recap. ChatGPT best all-rounder for writing, Synthesia video creation without cameras, Guru AI smart knowledge management, SlideScope AI-powered presentations, Suno make music with zero gear. So whether you are a student, a content creator or just curious about AI, these tools are beginner friendly and budget conscious. So I will suggest you to choose your plan according to your budget and need. If you like our video and find it helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.